Well, welcome to the E Cafe. I am Elizabeth, and it is my honor to host this show for my posse. That's a group of guides and angels that I work with, and each week I ask them for a message that will assist us in having a joyful and productive upcoming week, how best to use our energy. And when I got back, I got a couple of things. One, to remind us how powerful we are, that we want to make sure that we use our energies in the right direction, the direction that helps to uplift us, to bring us joy and peace. And I tell you, I've talked to several people this the past couple of days who are so drained and overwhelmed with all of the information that they have been absorbing. So, first, use your power. One way to use your power is to vote. Do not allow or do not think that your vote doesn't count. You are a very powerful being. And so allowing your light to shine by choosing, by being a deliberate creator and choosing which direction you want this nation to go in is your not only your responsibility, but it is also utilizing your power. Then the second thing, if you're moving into this week and if our past election uh, shows us anything, is that maybe we will not know the results um, on Tuesday. But regardless of what the results are, remember how we manifest, and that is manifesting anything. And then collectively, we are adding our energy to manifesting what we want for our nation. It is what we think about, it is deciding what we want, it is visualizing what we want, and it is getting excited. And excitement and fear can sometimes be mistaken, but it's the same force, it is the same energy that helps to fuel our request. And then detach, let it go. And you said, well, how can I detach? How can I let it go? Uh, it is by thinking, hey, I don't know what is going to occur, but I know that something bigger and better is on its way. I know that something greater is on its way, and it is working on the thoughts that you have flying through your head. The second way of making sure that you keep your energy going up is to 8, turn off the news. Play by play, minute by minute, um, you're allowing somebody else to control how you will feel. Know that something bigger and better is on its way and release it. Check in on Wednesday and maybe a couple of Wednesdays, but check it back in on Wednesday to find out what the results are. But if you want to keep yourself calm, if you want to keep yourself uh, focused, focus on the journey that you're on. Remember, you are the author, the producer, actor, and of your own story. Or you can be a bit player in somebody else's drama. It is up to you. You can observe things without absorbing them. And when you when there is so much out for you to abs- absorb, then you should avoid. But I hope that that makes sense. I hope that that rings a bell. I hope that you will remember that something bigger and better is on its way. I will envision, I will use my um, tool to envision a peaceful transition. I will use my vision to see that I want. It's powerful stuff, folks. So, if you want to enter into this week as I have, calm, collected, knowing that, hey, something bigger and better is on its way. I don't know what, but I know that something bigger and better is on its way. I've seen it. I feel it. I know it. And I release it. I would suggest that you do the same. Hmm. And if I can help you in any way, if you need to talk to somebody, please do contact me. I'd love to help you over this hurdle. Remember, may light, the all powerful light, and love, and plenty of laughter accompany you on your journey. Until next time, I am Elizabeth. May you have a